In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide appointments in Outlook Calendar. If you share your calendar at work or simply want some privacy, Outlook lets you hide the subject and details of any appointment or meeting while still showing that your time is blocked. The key is marking the item as private. I'll show you the clicks, explain what private actually does, and give a couple quick tips so you can use it with confidence. Start by opening Outlook. You can use the web version in your browser or the desktop app. The steps are nearly identical. Switch to your calendar. In the web version, select the calendar icon on the left. In the desktop app, choose calendar at the bottom of the navigation pane. That takes you to your day or week view where you can see the time blocks for upcoming events. Open the appointment or meeting you want to hide. If you see a quick preview, open it fully so you can change it. Then choose Edit. On the web, that's the Edit button near the top. In the desktop app, opening the item usually puts you in edit mode. You should now be on the full details screen. Within the event window, locate the tags section and select Private. It often appears as a small lock icon labeled Private or Mark as Private. That single click tells Outlook to conceal the subject, location, notes, and other details from people who can view your calendar. From now on, this event will show a lock icon and others will only see that you're busy during that time, not what you're doing. A few clarifications help avoid confusion. Private does not hide your availability, it only hides details. People can still see that the time is taken. If your calendar is shared or delegated, viewers without permission to see private items will only see a generic private entry. In some organizations, certain roles may be allowed to view private items, so follow your company's policy. If the event repeats, the privacy change applies to the occurrence you opened. Adjust the series if you need every occurrence private. And that's it. Open Outlook, go to Calendar, open the event, choose Edit, and mark it private. It's a quick way to keep personal or sensitive topics out of view while preserving accurate availability. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your calendar with confidence.